Clean the ants. Remove the ants. Yeah, your boss will come. You have to clean properly. Yeah, so you get salary. If the boss come, it's still dirty, he will fire you. Clean properly. Yeah. Don't talk, just clean. You don't have good attitude, Cobain. Remove the dirts and the ants. Not here, it's raining here. You get sick, you cannot get job. No salary for you. How can you buy milk tea? You understand? Do you understand, Cobain? Oh, clean there, clean. There, oh, there's still ants. Your boss will come. He will hit your bum if you don't clean properly. You're getting good salary, but you're not cleaning properly. Clean na. Don't look. Clean. Oh, there, oh. Oh, there are flies. Clean. It's almost 5 o'clock, Cobain. What's happening?